Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Many people include spinach in their daily diet because of its numerous health benefits. Eating spinach every day can have a positive impact on your overall health and well-being. In this video, we will discuss what happens when you eat spinach every day. 1. Improved eye health. Incorporating spinach into your daily diet can also have numerous benefits for eye health. Spinach is packed with several essential nutrients and antioxidants that promote healthy eyes, including lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin A, and vitamin C. Lutein and zeaxanthin are carotenoids that are essential for maintaining healthy eyes. They are found in high concentrations in the macula, a part of the retina responsible for central vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin act as antioxidants, protecting the eyes from damage caused by harmful blue light and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Spinach is one of the best dietary sources of lutein and zeaxanthin, and consuming it regularly can help to promote healthy eyes. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy eyesight. It plays a crucial role in the formation of rhodopsin, a pigment in the retina that helps the eyes to see in low-light conditions. Spinach is an excellent source of vitamin A, and incorporating it into your daily diet can help to promote healthy eyesight. 2. Boosts immune system. Incorporating spinach into your daily diet can also have numerous benefits for the immune system. Spinach is packed with several essential nutrients and antioxidants that promote immune system health, including vitamin C, vitamin E, beta-carotene, and zinc. Vitamin C is one of the most well-known nutrients for immune system health. It helps to stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections and diseases. Spinach is an excellent source of vitamin C, and consuming it regularly can help to boost immune system function. Vitamin E is another antioxidant that is essential for immune system health. It helps to protect the body from damage caused by harmful free radicals and promote healthy immune system function. Spinach is an excellent source of vitamin E, and incorporating it into your daily diet can help to promote immune system health. 3. Promotes heart health. Incorporating spinach into your daily diet can also have numerous benefits for promoting heart health. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, and several risk factors, including high blood pressure and high cholesterol levels, contribute to its development. Spinach is an excellent source of dietary nitrates, which have been shown to reduce blood pressure levels and improve blood vessel function. Nitrates are converted into nitric oxide in the body, which helps to relax blood vessels and increase blood flow. This can help to lower blood pressure levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. 4. Stronger bones. One of the most significant benefits of consuming spinach regularly is the promotion of stronger bones. This is due to the high levels of calcium and other essential minerals present in spinach. Calcium is an essential mineral for building and maintaining strong bones. When the body doesn't get enough calcium from the diet, it can start to take calcium from the bones, which can weaken them over time. Incorporating spinach into your daily diet can help to prevent this from happening by providing your body with a sufficient amount of calcium. In addition to calcium, spinach is also an excellent source of other bone-building minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, and vitamin K. Magnesium is essential for calcium absorption, while phosphorus is necessary for bone formation. Vitamin K helps to regulate calcium levels in the body, which is important for maintaining strong bones. 5. Helps with weight loss. Incorporating spinach into your daily diet can also have benefits for weight loss. Spinach is a low-calorie food that is high in fiber, which can help to keep you feeling full for longer periods and reduce overall calorie intake. Spinach is also low in fat and high in water content, which can help to promote weight loss. Foods that are high in water content tend to be more filling and can help to reduce overall calorie intake. In addition, spinach contains thylakoids, which are compounds that have been shown to reduce hunger and promote feelings of fullness. Thylakoids can also slow down the digestion of fat, which can help to reduce the absorption of calories and promote weight loss. Furthermore, incorporating spinach into your diet can also help to promote healthy eating habits. Spinach is a versatile food that can be added to salads, smoothies, omelets, and many other dishes, making it an easy and tasty way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet. 6. Improved skin health. Incorporating spinach into your daily diet can also have numerous benefits for skin health. Spinach is packed with several essential nutrients and antioxidants that promote healthy skin, including vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy skin. It helps to promote skin cell growth and repair, which can help to reduce the signs of aging and improve overall skin texture. Spinach is an excellent source of vitamin A, and incorporating it into your daily diet can help to promote healthy, glowing skin. Vitamin C is another nutrient that is essential for healthy skin. It plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and preventing wrinkles. Spinach is an excellent source of vitamin C, and consuming it regularly can help to promote healthy, youthful-looking skin. 7. Lower risk of chronic diseases. Eating spinach every day can also lower the risk of chronic diseases. Spinach is packed with a variety of essential nutrients and antioxidants that can help protect the body against oxidative stress and inflammation, which are known to be key contributors to chronic diseases such as. Remember, eating spinach every day can have numerous health benefits. From improving digestive health to boosting the immune system, spinach is a nutritious and delicious addition to any diet. Whether you prefer it cooked or raw, adding spinach to your meals can help to improve your overall health and well-being. So go ahead and include spinach in your daily diet. Your body will thank you for it.